Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to repair a water geyser. So there is a leakage at the bottom lid of this water geyser. So when we checked it, so it is impossible to repair it with the welding. So we decided to change the lid of this water geyser. So must watch this video till the end so you will know how we change the lid of this water geyser, and must subscribe to our channel, like, share, comment on this video. Thank you. In today's video, we are going to repair a water geyser, and as you can see in this video, the workers are opening the cover of this water geyser, and as you can see, the top cover is already opened. And one guy is opening the thermostat of this water geyser. So he have already removed the thermostat, and now they will remove this body cover of this water geyser. So they have lifted it up, the cover of this water geyser, and they have removed it already. So this is the glass hole on the geyser, this brown color is the glass hole. So now they will remove this glass hole also. It is tied with the rope. So now they are opening this rope. So the glass hole is removed completely. So now the guy is opening the electric heater. So this geyser has a dual on functions. It can turn on electricity also, and the gas also. So now they make it lay down, and now they will cut this burner place of this water geyser. So they will check the leakage, big leakage. If it is possible to fill with the welding, so then we will fill it with the welding. So if not, we will change the lid. So now we have decided that the leakage is too much. So now we have decided that it's not possible to weld it. So it is better to remove this lid and install a new lid in it. So now the guy is cutting this lid to make. He is cutting because he have to remove this lid. So he will cut it in a round direction. So this is the gas cutter. He is cutting it with the gas cutter. And now from the top he is cutting from the pipe. So the pipe is also welded in between the top lid. So he is cutting that welding from the gas cutter. So it's done now, almost done. So it has cut, the welding is cut from the pipe. So now he will remove this bottom lid. So he will put a hammer on this pipe, and so then it will come out easily. As you can see, he put the hammer, and this is the bottom lid. So this we have to change. We have to replace it with the new lid. So this is the inside view of this water geyser. See, the water tank is okay. The sheet metal of this water tank is very thick metal. So all the pressure is at the bottom lid in the water geyser. So that's why usually the water geyser leakage from the bottom. So this is the new lid. So he has already welded the pipe in between the bottom lid, as you can see. So this is the washer he will put in between the pipe, and then he will weld it with the lid. So more is stronger, it will make it more stronger. As you can see, the metal of this lid, you can see the new lid is very thick sheet metal. Now he is welding it, and now he is welding. Has he welded it all, as you can see in the video? So the welding is going on. So he has welded from the pipe also, from the top lid also he has welded the pipe, and at the bottom also he has welded. So now he is checking by putting the air in it. So this is all. So must like this video, must subscribe.